Hey there, this is Nat, website superhero from website-superhero.com and DIY-website-maintenance.com, and welcome to video training number 2. In this training, we're going to go over the superhero tools you need to do your website maintenance like a pro, like a superhero, like a boss, like all those wonderful things that we like to be. Yeah. Okay, so there is a PDF waiting for you right underneath this video with the information I'm going to give you in summary form with all the links. And in this video, I'm going to quickly go over these tools. And all of these tools, most of these tools, I show you how to use in the DIY website maintenance course. But right now, I'm going to show you what they are in case you want to use them yourself. Okay, and learn how to use them yourself. Backup Buddy. We're going to start with backup, super important. Backup Buddy is my very favorite tool to make WordPress website backups because even though it is not free, it is amazing. It's the most comprehensive. It automatically backs up your website and sends it to not just, for example, there's a free alternative that sends it to Dropbox, right? Well, Backup Buddy will send it to Dropbox or Amazon S3 or Google Drive or, you know, send you something via email. Like, there are so many options. Apart from that, it will, when you move your website, let's say that you change your domain, or you move it from one domain to another, it updates all your links for you automatically, so you don't have to manually do that through the database. It also cuts your migration time drastically. It's worth every penny, and I say this as somebody who goes through all the free tools first. So also, as you can see up here, they often have really good sales. You can save 35%. The normal price is you can spend $80 and you put it on 2 websites. Don't worry about the more expensive packages, but stay alert because they have sales frequently. So for backups, I recommend that. If there's no way that's in your budget right now, you're just going to have to do a little more work, but you get to use a free tool. One option is WP Clone, and this one, as you probably already know, you can download from here, or you can go to your WordPress dashboard to add new plugins and then type in WP Clone and it will show up because it's in the directory. Another one is Back WordPress Up Free, which used to make me think of puppies because I was like, Back W Pup, like what, puppies? Like, yeah, but no, it's WordPress Up. Yeah, okay, so those are 3 really great options. Backup Buddy is my very favorite, but you do have free alternatives, so check those out. Let's move on to security. My favorite plugin has been WordFence for a very long time. It's got a free version and it's got a premium one. The premium one, let's look at the price. Okay, it's not here. Last time I looked at it, it was $39 for 1 year, and you just buy the key for that. So yeah, it should be, yeah, there it is, 39 bucks. And here's the comparison. So basically, the free version has pretty much everything that you need. In the PDF, there's also going to be a link to a free video tutorial that I made showing you how to get the most out of this plugin, how to use it. So you just jump in knowing what to do, don't waste time. And yeah, I highly recommend that you get it in place right away. It can scan your website to see if it's already been infected. It will also prevent hackers from getting in and infecting your website. It does a lot of things. It is wonderful. Watch that video. I love it. Okay. iTheme Security Pro. There's also a free version and a paid version for this. And it's made by iThemes, just like Backup Buddy. That's why this branding looks familiar. So the only thing with this one is that it costs the same. I recommend that if you're going to install this one, you definitely do it on a test site because it can break some websites. So you want to be more careful with this. It's a little more advanced, and you can look at the section here if you have questions to learn more about that. I go into that in my course. Okay, so those are two fabulous WordPress plugins. WordFence is kind of safer, and I have a video tutorial for it on my blog. The link to it is in the PDF. Now, if your website has been hacked, you want to go to sucuri.net. They have site checks that you can use, and it'll tell you if your site has been hacked or not, and it basically cleans it up for you and prevents future attacks as well. So this one is more expensive. I would not necessarily go for it unless my site was actually attacked so that it can be cleaned up. Then we have SiteLock. SiteLock is similar to Sucuri. In addition to cleaning up your website, if it has been hacked or blacklisted, it can also speed it up. This is also a paid service. So this is the most expensive one because it's around $100 a month, whereas Sucuri is around $100 a year. And then iTheme Security is free or $80 a year, and WordFence is free or $39 a year. So we're going from inexpensive to expensive, and these have features that they're similar. There's some overlap and some are different, but again, Sucuri is better, and SiteLock as well if your website has been hacked. If it hasn't already, you can save some money by going with WordFence or iThemes. Okay, let's move on to cleaning up and optimizing your website. WP Optimize is free and it is great. It will clean up everything from your spam comments to your database so that it's not bloated, so that it'll shrink the size of your website backups, right? And increase your loading time. Now, it's going to work best on a website that's not in horrible shape. If your website is bloated and huge, you're going to need to do some in-depth cleaning. But if it's already in decent shape, this is something to keep it from bloating up. So it's awesome. Caveat though, do a backup of your website first. Whenever you're going to do anything to mess with your database, you want to have a backup first just in case. So do that. And finally, for speed, W3 Total Cache is a great plugin that can improve your page speed by as much as 10 times, or as many as 10 times, for a better user experience. Now, that will happen if you use all of its configurations, and it's a pretty comprehensive plugin. I do teach people how to use that in the course. You can also give it a go yourself. Okay, so we have just been over a whole bunch of tools. They are all amazing, and they will help get your website maintenance under control. And not only that, but you'll be doing such a badass job at it. It'll be amazing. Your friends are going to be like, what? How did you learn to do that? Yeah, you're welcome. I'm kidding. Okay. Well, I will see you in the next video. In the next video, we are going to make a gorgeous branded coming soon page, or it can just be a squeeze page to promote a course or whatever you want. Super duper useful. And also in terms of website maintenance, if you're redesigning or making changes and your website is not ready, you can have that beautiful front page for it, that coming soon or maintenance mode page. So it's going to be really useful. See you in the next video.